1. Birds are relatives of dinosaurs. Yes, really. Birds are actually the descendants of meat-eating dinosaurs like the T-Rex. Scientists believe birds evolved from small feathered dinosaurs. 2. Some birds can sleep upside down. For example, swallows and swiftlets can hang upside down from branches or ceilings while sleeping. 3. The hummingbird is the only bird that can fly backwards. Hummingbirds can hover in place, fly forward, backward, and even up and down like a helicopter. 4. Some migratory birds can fly thousands of kilometers. The Arctic tern, for example, flies around 70,000 kilometers per year, which is like flying around the Earth twice. 5. Owls can turn their heads 270 degrees. Owls can't move their eyes, so they turn their heads almost all the way around to look in different directions.